Breaking news coming in amidst the Sidhu exit drama. Captain Amrinder Singh has landed in Delhi. Captain Amrinder Singh is likely to meet Amit Shah and JP Nadda next is what the sources are indicating at the moment. But the captain has landed in Delhi at this point of time. We'll get you all the very latest details, the latest visuals also coming in. This is of course coming in after Navjot Singh Sidhu resigned as the PCC chief. Speculations rife in terms of whether he's going to be meeting JP Nadda and Amit Shah and what is going to be the discussion on the agenda as the captain is here in Delhi at this point of time. We have Maushami with us. Let's go straight across to Maushami for the very latest. Maushami, the real game begins now with the captain still to play his hand. He's holding his cards too close to his chest at this point of time. But the optics of this with him landing in Delhi and Navjot Singh Sidhu stepping down as the PCC chief, what are you making of it and what are your sources indicating at this point of time?
Perhaps for the captain camp, this is a moment of I told you so, and captain has been warning the party high command against the choice that they had made of choosing Navjot Singh Sidhu as the president of Punjab Congress. And in fact, the timing of it all, on one hand, you have Sidhu putting in his resignation, you have captain landing in Delhi, you have Rahul Gandhi also landing in Delhi and heading straight to pay his respects to Shahid Bhagat Singh along with Kanhaiya Kumar, Jignesh Mevani, and this the entire picture here at the Congress headquarters where the Congress workers are standing right here. Perhaps they were looking for that moment of reckoning when Kanhaiya Kumar, Jignesh Mevani would have joined the Congress party and asked Nasir to just lift up the camera and show that the Congress workers were quite upbeat about the fact that Young Turks were joining the Congress. But the headline has been hogged by the resignation of Navjot Singh Sidhu. There you can see Shahid Bhagat Singh Amar Rahe. That's the slogan that is reverberating in the Congress headquarters. Though within closed corridors, the whispers growing louder over the choice of Navjot Singh Sidhu as the president of the Punjab Congress. Many in the party actually agreeing to the fact that what captain was saying was actually correct. And one of these leaders from Punjab will take his reaction. Sir, you're from Punjab. Navjot Singh Sidhu resigns. Do you think captain was right?
देखो कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को हटाना सिद्धू की वजह से ये कुछ सही नहीं है। अगर हटाया तो सिद्धू ने कुर्सी की लाज रखनी थी, हाई कमान की लाज रखनी थी। राहुल गांधी ने बड़े थोड़े समय में, देखो पूरे 5 साल सिर्फ हुए थे सिद्धू साहब को पार्टी में बड़ी कुर्सी भी बिठाया था और सिद्धू साहब को ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था। राहुल गांधी की, सोनिया गांधी की लाज रखनी थी। देखो कितना बड़ा चेहरा है पंजाब में, कितना बड़ा चेहरा जिनकी सारी उम्र बीत गई पंजाब राजनीति में, सुनील जाखड़ जी, उनको इग्नोर किया गया, उनकी जगह पर बिठाया गया, लेकिन फिर भी इन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया। ये बहुत गलत बात है।
कैप्टन दिल्ली आ रहे हैं क्या, दूसरी पार्टी में जाएंगे या अपने काम से आ रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं, ये आपकी मीडिया की तरफ से बात है, लेकिन इसमें कुछ सच्चाई नहीं है, कुछ सच्चाई नहीं है इसमें।
So here Congress workers, these are people who've been in the party for years and many of them feel कि जो बाहर से नेता आते हैं उनको तवज्जो ज्यादा मिल जाती है, पुराने नेताओं को नहीं।
इसीलिए तो कांग्रेस कमजोर हुई है, इसीलिए तो कांग्रेस कमजोर है। बाहर से आए हुए नेता जो बेरुपिया, ये तो कपिल शो के शर्मा से इनको बाहर निकाल दिया। सिंधु का तो बैकग्राउंड है, जिसके साथ रहा उसके साथ गद्दारी की, चाहे अरुण जेटली जी वो, चाहे जो भी नेता हो, उनके साथ सबसे बात हमेशा गद्दारी की है।
सिद्धू का ये बैकग्राउंड था तो क्या सिद्धू की चॉइस सही थी?
देखिए साहब, मैं आपसे निवेदन करना चाहूँगा कि देश में बहुत ज्वलंत मुद्दे हैं। ये कांग्रेस का संगठन का आंतरिक मामला है और ये हमारे परिवार का मसला है और परिवार में ही रहने दें। देश में बहुत बिल्कुल वो सुलझ जाएगा और ज्वलंत मुद्दे हैं, प्लीज उनको उठाएं, आप उनकी बात करें।
Really, you have some sympathies for the Congress workers sometimes as far as the Congress leaders are concerned. The state of affairs in the party is actually pretty terrible, because the party high command puts its weight behind a leader who's supposed to lead the party into the elections, and this is a flop show by the party high command where, Congress workers are trying to put up a face saver. They're putting up a brave front here India, but it is a dismal state of affairs in the Congress, at the Congress headquarters, when the party would have hoped for some headline management, you know, and some good news coming its way with new leaders joining the bandwagon, and Rahul Gandhi, in fact, making a new team of young Turks after the departure of Jyotiraditya Scindia, Jitin Prasad, Sushmita Dev.
Yes, I also
Priyanka
want to draw
Chaturvedi.
viewers'
We
attention
hope
to
that
the
you would
flashes that
plant
are
our
running
new
across our
leaders and a
screens,
new
the
team.
tickers that are running on the reasons why Navjot Singh Sidhu has resigned, and reports coming in as to how he will continue to serve the Congress party. Perhaps the reports also coming in that he was miffed with the choice of cabinet by Chief Minister Channi as well. Chief Minister Channi is now gone on to say that he's going to be speaking to Sidhu as well and will sort everything out. And earlier he did mention that he was unaware of Sidhu's resignation as the PCC as well. Maushami, all of this only indicates one thing: there's absolute state of chaos, as you rightly mentioned, within the Congress party, and the Gandhis, after landing back from a holiday, completely been caught off guard, given the fact, especially because Navjot Singh Sidhu was their choice as the PCC, and this resignation has left them entirely red-faced.
You know, somewhere, perhaps in the Punjab Congress, Navjot Singh Sidhu felt that after the exit of captain, it would be his say that will actually run the party, and that didn't happen with Charanjit Singh Channi coming to the helm of affairs, making certain choices which did go against the wishes of Navjot Singh Sidhu, and that's where, you know, the real game comes into play. A leader does the leader have the wherewithal, the patience, the capability to lead a team of leaders from the Congress? The Congress has been a formidable force in Punjab. They've been in power, out of power. It was a challenging ask. Did Navjot Singh Sidhu have the stability, the responsibility, the patience to carry it on? The party entrusted him with the responsibility. They thought that he could deliver, and now when he has put in his resignation, it only shows and reflects very poorly on the party high command and the choice that they've made. Now there is a little bit of activity right here. You can see that close aid of Rahul Gandhi and people from the media department right there, you know, Manoj Tyagi and all coming here at the gate. Rahul Gandhi would perhaps be entering. It's a sign that Rahul Gandhi could also join the presser. There were no plans that Rahul Gandhi would be attending the presser with Kanhaiya Kumar and the others, and with the security around here at the Congress headquarters, it does indicate that this is a protocol that is being followed only if Rahul Gandhi would be coming to Congress office. So apparently Rahul Gandhi would be doing that presser, and he would be facing a volley of questions, because it was considered a master stroke by Rahul Gandhi to actually appoint Charanjit Singh Channi, a Dalit face, a Dalit Sikh, as the head of the government in Punjab. And he did go for that swearing-in ceremony to reflect and endorse his choice. Thereafter, whatever has followed does not reflect very well for the party because of the elections. And here we will see Rahul Gandhi coming in any time. Rahul Gandhi भी यहाँ पे आएंगे. आप लोग को क्या लगता है जो पार्टी में हो रहा है, सही हो रहा है? पार्टी कहाँ जा रही है?
देखें, ये एक बड़ी शिप है और इसमें लोग आते जाते रहते हैं.
शिप चल रही है कि डूब रही है? शिप
चल रही है. It's alive and kicking. It's alive and kicking. चल रही है.
क्या आप लोग बहुत बहादुर हो रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल बहादुरी की जरूरत ही है. और राहुल जी का खास संदेश है कि जो डरे वो बाहर रहे.
नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू इस्तीफा दे दिए.
आते जाते रहते हैं. वो इंटर पार्टी.
Captain Amrinder Singh, who is landed in Delhi at this point of time, what are you picking up from your highly placed sources on his visit to Delhi? There are a lot of speculations that are rife about him meeting JP Nadda and Amit Shah. But what is on the agenda of that meeting? He clearly seems to have an ace up his sleeve at this point of time.